Hey guys, good morning. Happy Thursday, but this is going up next Tuesday, so happy Tuesday to you guys. I have just kind of had a slow morning. I got up, I made my breakfast, I had some coffee, I made my bed, I got ready, and now it is almost 11 o'clock. I also worked on an order, so I showed you guys that as well. I have so much to get done today. Like, I need to film a Q&A video for you guys. I need to edit a video for my other channel. I need to design some stuff. I need to print and cut some stuff. I need to do a lot of cleaning. Not a lot, but like I need to clean. I need to tidy stuff up. So, just a lot on the agenda for today. So yeah, that's what's going on. I don't really have too much to say other than we're just gonna get a lot of stuff done today. I am feeling very tired, and I feel like I look pretty tired because I don't know if you guys can tell, my eyelid is like drooping a lot on this side, and I noticed that that happens when my sinuses are really bad or I'm really tired. So there's that. I don't know if you guys have any suggestions for that, for like if you guys have the same problem where your eyelid just kind of droops, let me know, because it's really annoying that it does that, but like I don't know what to do to fix it other than to get more sleep, which I try, but I struggle with sleep a lot, so it's fun times. Anyway, I am just gonna look at my handy dandy to-do list and figure out what needs to get done and then get it done. So I know I need to design some stuff for the sale next week, but I don't know that that's top priority. Let me look at my to-do list and tell you guys what the top priority is. So I've been using this to-do list that says today, can you even see it? Today is the day. This is in our shop, by the way, if you guys are interested in it, but I pretty much use this every single day. Like, I still use my planners and stuff, but I find that having like just a nice to-do list where I can check stuff off really helps me. Anyway, so I need to film this vlog, which I'm currently doing. Need to design, need to print, cut, film the Q&A, post on Instagram, do the shop calendar, edit a clean with me video, and then I need to do a bunch of cleaning. So let me prioritize this. I feel like filming the Q&A is top priority, but I just don't feel like doing that right now. I need to get my energy up before I film. So I need to do shop calendar. That won't take that long. I really need to edit the clean with me, but I planned on doing that when I print and cut stuff. So maybe I should design, I know I want to do a Halloween countdown. I want to have that up in time for the sale. And then I know I want to redo rustic pumpkin, and I want to do one more Halloween kit. I'm not a huge Halloween person, but I do want to like do one more kit. I don't know if I want to bring back the one from last year or if I want to do something different. I'm not really sure. So maybe I'll just, for today, I'll just do the countdown, and then I'll start printing and cutting other stuff I have designed. I have like a ton of stuff designed, you guys. In fact, I still have so much designed that I probably won't even release it all for next week's sale because I just have so many things, which is good, but it's also like insane. So I think that I'll do that, and while I'm doing that, I will edit the clean with me. I think that sounds good. So first things first, I'm gonna design and then print and cut stuff, and while it's printing and cutting, I will edit the clean with me, and then after I get all that done, I will film the Q&A. It shouldn't take that long. Honestly, I just, sit down videos are a struggle for me. I hate sit down videos because I don't know why. They're not my favorite thing to do anymore, because I feel like you have to have like the perfect lighting and the perfect setup, and you have to like put on makeup, and it's just too much. And I'm just like, I'm not high maintenance enough for that, you know? I rarely wear makeup, and I'm not perfect. So I don't like, not pretending to be perfect, but I don't like feeling like it has to look perfect, you know? So anyway, I'm gonna do the Q&A. I got a lot of the same questions that I normally get, so I'm gonna try to answer the ones that are different or that I haven't answered already. But yeah, if you ever have a question, like, it doesn't have to be shop related, but I understand that my YouTube channel does heavily revolve around owning a shop because that is my job. But I don't know, I'm just like, that's not what I want I want this YouTube channel to not just be shop related stuff, you know? And as hard as I try, it is what it is. So I'm like, okay. So I'm still gonna answer. I do appreciate you guys sending in questions, don't get me wrong. It's just funny because I'm like, I don't know. Like, don't you guys have any other questions? Or am I just like that open that you guys are like, no, we don't have any questions about you, just about the stickers, you know? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to go do that in just a few minutes. I just finished designing the Halloween countdown, and I also filmed the Q&A because I was like, you know what, I just need to film it, get it done. So I did that. So that is done. We can check that off. Filming done. And now I'm gonna print and cut stuff. I'm going to create a shop calendar. I need to post on Instagram, and then I need to just sit down and edit the clean with me. And then I also need to clean. There's still so much to do, but we are being productive. It is a good day. Whew, we're getting it done. So my printer ran out of ink. So it ran out of ink, and I'm almost out of yellow, and I don't have a replacement for yellow. I do have a replacement for the light cyan. So that is good. I don't know, my camera is so wonky, you guys. I'm using my old one too, but it's clearly just having problems. So right now I'm going to set you guys up, and I'm going to change the ink. So now I think I'm gonna start some laundry, maybe do a couple of the tasks on my to-do list that are like cleaning, house stuff, just because tomorrow is James's day off and I really don't want to have to do any cleaning or anything like that. So yeah, that door is so bright. So anyway, I think that I'm going to go ahead and check some of those things off my list. I need to do laundry, unload, reload the dishwasher, tidy up the living room. It's looking like a hot mess. And I also need a vacuum. So I think I'm gonna set you guys up and do that. here, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing haul for you guys. So let's go. Okay guys, so here is my quick little haul from everything I got from Grove. I got some more laundry detergent. This is the Method Nectarine Blossom, which is a new one for me, but they didn't have the ginger mango. For some reason they were sold out, but they had it in the fabric softener and the little scent boosters, so I got those. Then I got these Yes to Cucumber under eye masks just because I wanted to try them. Honestly, no other reason than I just wanted to try them. Then we have this. This was free. This is hand sanitizer gel in the blood orange scent. I keep one of these in my car. It doesn't have the pump, the one that I have in my car, but keep it in my car just because, you know, germs. And so I was excited when I got this for free. I didn't realize it had the pump on it, but like I could probably just refill the bottle that I have in my car and it'll be fine. Then the last thing I got was the 7th generation Ultra Power Plus dishwasher detergent packs because we're running low. So yeah, that's everything that I got. James is home. We're getting ready to have dinner. Yes, we eat dinner on our couch because we watch TV. That's like our nightly thing. But we eat our breakfast, and anytime we eat lunch together, it's normally like at the table. So we don't always sit on the couch. But right now we're gonna watch Psych. We're gonna eat our dinner, and I'll update you guys after that. But I'm really hungry right now, so gotta go eat. Hey guys, it is a few hours later. It is probably close to 11 o'clock, to be honest. And anyway, we just went and hung out with James's family, which was really nice. And then we came home. James played some video games. I just honestly sat on the couch and watched YouTube videos. I was very tired. So on that note, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to call it a vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, watching this vlog. I hope you found it fun and entertaining, and it just gave you a break from whatever you're dealing with in your life. I hope that this was a nice escape for you. Definitely click that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.